Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My team and I have expertly tested over 50 of the best 3D printers for modeling, miniatures, crafting, and more. Whether you're a hobbyist or a business, the 3D printer market is massive, so you'll have no trouble finding a unit. The question is, which 3D printer is best for you? To help identify the right one, we've personally tested more than 50 different models suited to a range of budgets and uses. Right now, the Bambu Lab A1 is the best 3D printer for most people. It's affordable enough not to break the bank, but still delivers good precision and print speed. As always, you can find pricing information for each product in the description below. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number 5. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is a high-speed 3D printer that offers remarkable performance in a compact design. Ideal for both hobbyists and professionals, it features PowerBoost 2.0 technology, allowing for print speeds of up to 500 mm while maintaining an impressive level of detail. It supports a range of materials, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, offering flexibility in your printing projects. One of its standout features is the 49-point automatic bed leveling, ensuring that each print starts with a perfectly calibrated base. The AnkerMake M5C boasts a 0.9mm precision, meaning you can expect intricate details to appear with exceptional clarity. It also includes a highly intuitive app for mobile control, making it easy to monitor prints and adjust settings remotely via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. A magnetic PEI surface ensures smooth adhesion during printing and makes print removal easy once the model is finished. The all-metal hot end allows for temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, enhancing its compatibility with a variety of filaments. The printer's durable design and components, such as its stainless steel dual Z-axis lead screws, ensure long-term reliability. Anker's focus on easy setup and automatic error detection adds another layer of convenience, making it an excellent choice for users of all skill levels. Ideal for rapid prototyping, hobby modeling, and small business needs, the AnkerMake M5C combines speed and precision for a solid 3D printing experience. Number 4. Original Prusa XL. The original Prusa XL is designed to push the boundaries of what a 3D printer can achieve. It offers a vast build volume, which makes it suitable for large-scale projects or creating multiple items at once. The printer is built on a robust frame made of high-quality materials to ensure maximum stability during operation. One of its most impressive features is its multi-material support, allowing users to print in a variety of filaments such as PLA, PETG, and even more exotic options like ASA and nylon. The automatic bed leveling system ensures a perfect first layer with every print, which reduces the chances of failure. It features a flexible magnetic print bed, making it easy to remove prints without any hassle. The open-source design of the original Prusa XL encourages a collaborative approach, giving users the freedom to modify and upgrade their printer to suit their specific needs. This printer is equipped with advanced safety features such as thermal runaway protection and filament sensors to prevent mishaps. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional designer, the intuitive interface and easy-to-navigate controls will make this machine accessible. Its excellent print quality and reliability have made it a favorite in the 3D printing community. With its large print volume, high precision, and versatile features, the original Prusa XL is perfect for anyone looking to take their 3D printing capabilities to the next level. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini packs powerful 3D printing capabilities into a compact form, making it a great option for both beginners and seasoned makers. Despite its small size, it provides a solid build volume for various print jobs. The printer features an easy-to-use interface with a responsive touchscreen, allowing for seamless navigation through its settings and controls. One of its key features is the high-quality construction, which minimizes vibrations during printing to ensure high precision. The A1 Mini supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, and TPU, allowing users to print with the materials best suited for their needs. Its small size makes it perfect for home offices, schools, or small businesses that don't have a lot of space but still require reliable performance. The printer is also highly energy efficient, consuming minimal power while still delivering excellent results. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing for easy remote printing and monitoring so users can stay connected to their projects from anywhere. The A1 Mini also features automatic bed leveling, ensuring consistent results on every print. Its direct drive extruder ensures better handling of flexible filaments like TPU, making it a versatile option for more complex prints. Whether you are working on prototypes, hobby projects, or personal creations, the A1 Mini provides high-quality prints without taking up too much space. Its reliability and ease of use make it a fantastic choice for a variety of users looking for an affordable 3D printer with professional-level capabilities. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE takes the well-known Ender series to the next level, providing enhanced features and performance. The V3 SE is equipped with a larger build volume, allowing you to print bigger models or multiple smaller pieces at once. Its sturdier frame and improved motion system ensure greater stability, which is crucial for maintaining print quality, especially with larger models. The printer supports a wide range of filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and others, making it highly versatile for different types of prints. Its auto bed leveling feature ensures that each print starts with perfect adhesion, reducing the risk of failures. The Ender 3 V3 SE also comes with a silent motherboard, offering a quieter operation compared to previous models. Creality's open-source design allows users to customize and upgrade their machine with ease, adding to its appeal for hobbyists and professionals alike. The printer also includes a filament runout sensor, which pauses the print and alerts users if filament runs out, preventing wasted time and material. With a large community of users, there is no shortage of tutorials and support resources available for those who need help. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes navigating through settings and controlling the printer simple and user-friendly. Additionally, the Ender 3 V3 SE offers better print accuracy with its improved extruder, allowing you to produce high-quality prints at an affordable price. For makers looking for a reliable and customizable 3D printer, the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is a great choice. Number 1. Bambu Lab P1S. The Bambu Lab P1S is a high-performance 3D printer designed for users who want versatility and reliability in their 3D printing projects. One of its most notable features is its large build volume, which can handle a variety of different print sizes, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. The P1S offers support for multiple filament types, including PLA, PETG, TPU, and even more advanced materials, providing flexibility for various projects. Automatic bed leveling is another impressive feature of this printer, ensuring that your first layer is always perfect and reducing the chances of failed prints. The P1S includes a color touchscreen interface that makes it easy to navigate through settings, control the printer, and monitor your prints in real time. Its durable all-metal frame adds stability during printing, while the advanced cooling system ensures consistent results even during long print sessions. This printer also boasts a high-quality extruder capable of handling flexible filaments, offering greater versatility for users who like to experiment with different materials. The filament runout detection system ensures that prints are never ruined by a shortage of material, allowing for seamless printing. With fast print speeds and high precision, the P1S can handle a variety of applications, from prototyping to creating intricate designs. It's easy to see why the Bambu Lab P1S has gained popularity in the 3D printing community, offering a balance of performance, ease of use, and affordable pricing. Whether you're creating complex models or simple household items, the P1S delivers exceptional results.